Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 1st of February, 2023. We're going to talk about Quantumscape today because it's been an extremely long time since I did an idea as to where I suspect the price is going to go. So real quick, let's go ahead and talk about what I did on my last price prediction in Tezos. Okay, so let's go ahead and see that first. I did my last price prediction in Quantumscape was all the way back here on November the 1st, 2021. Yes, it's been that long, but don't worry about it. The video is still there. So you guys can actually go back and listen to this history as to what I was talking about. Then you guys can see what happened though. I was looking for Quantumscape to go up, and that is exactly what the market did. Congratulations to those who saw the same thing, because in a couple of days, the market ran up to $39, $40, which equated to 33.5% profit. Just that simple. Now check this out though. At that time, back in November of 2021, I had my ultimate TP price around 40, right? Is it just by coincidence that I was able to be in the ballpark as to the high in the market in Quantumscape? Because watch this. I'm going to zoom out the price chart. Okay. And you guys can tell that since that time, Quantumscape never has been trading up at $40 since then. That was the high of the market. And we called it. Like, that's fantastic for someone to actually record them seeing when the highs were going to come in the market. Now, did I know that was going to be the high? No, of course not. But it's kind of powerful that you can get an idea to where you may want to leave a particular position, and they say that you can't do it. So that's just more evidence that you can. So let me go ahead and cut that out the way. Let's talk about the market now in Quantumscape. You guys can see that we traded all the way down, well past SPAC levels, which was around $10. So we need to clean up the price chart. We got a little bit more information. Price definitely is not around 40 anymore. So we need to talk about the market now in Quantumscape and meet it where it is. So as of right now, yeah, the market is kind of strong. We're in a small uptrend into the market in Quantumscape. Nothing like we're going to hit $40 again, nothing like that. I don't push a lot of fear, FUD, and FOMO on my channel. I simply look at the price action to get an idea as to where market's going to go. You guys can see here that this is a logical area of resistance also coming into the market in Quantumscape. So we need to contemplate from a probable basis, how likely is it that Quantumscape is going to break $9 to the upside? That's the question that we're going to answer today, because if it's pretty high, and then we're going to play a prediction looking for the market to go up. If it's questionable, if it's not highly probable that market can break $9, then either we won't put on a price prediction, or we'll play to move it to the downside. So let's see what's going on to the market in Quantumscape on a long-term chart first. Okay, so let's look at this on the 5-weekly chart. So you guys can see we have 2 days and 9 hours left currently on this 5-weekly price bar. Okay, which is right here. So you guys can see, let me zoom in, pretty widespread when you look at the price action over the last 5 weeks. Like, this one 5-weekly price bar has taken out all of the selling on the prior 3. That's monumental there. Okay. So now let's look at this on a different time frame, which is 3 weeks. Okay, so over the last 3 weeks, we've seen indication that selling is coming in. Okay, cool. Here it is on the 2-weekly chart. This even gives us more credibility as to how amped, how incentivized the buyers are in the market in Quantumscape, that they want to move the market up. So right here on this 2-weekly price bar, the market went down. Right throughout trading over the last 2 weeks, market went down, but the buyers were able to bring it back up towards high. This kind of tells us that they're kind of itching to break price above $9, and that is in combination with the prior 2 weeks. Very widespread. So when you look at these two weekly price bars, the market still is kind of bullish, at least to where it's going to try to attempt to break $9 to the upside. Here it is on the weekly chart as well, right there. Okay, so this definitely tells me that the market in Quantumscape is trying to go up to where we could suspect that price is trying to break $9, but it may only run to like $9.50, $10, right? To the prior SPAC levels. Okay. So look at this on the 5 days. Looks pretty decent. 3-day chart, not that bad. 2-day chart, same thing. It doesn't look that bad for Quantumscape. Now, my only concern is this earnings that's coming up mid-February. Okay, it's due to be released then, but we'll see. So I like what's been going on into the market in Quantumscape. I am going to place some strength on the chart, but I am not going to be massively bullish. So as of right now, let's see. For us to run back to $9, that's still a 6% move from what the last trade into the market was yesterday in Quantum. To run at 9, to get to that 950, it's around 11.64. $10, it's gonna be 17.25. Okay. So if I were to play this on a 5-weekly chart, it's logical that we could possibly see the market in Quantumscape run to 11 to 12. That's like 40% move there. %. So I'm going to do this. I'm not going to hold it to 12 yet. I want us to see price break 10 first. Okay, so my price targets into the market in Quantumscape is currently like this. Okay, so right now I want the market in Quantumscape to first of all, price levels targets is $9, $9.50, and $10. Okay, those are my 3 levels that I'm looking for the market to go. And I really want price to continue to trade its trend line, but if it doesn't, I don't want to see the price in Quantumscape fall below $6.75, because if it does, then we may need to get rid of this price prediction and play the downside movement. But this is what I'm expecting though. Okay, so let's just see how bullish the buyers are in the market in Quantumscape, because if they're pretty bullish, then yeah, in the 5 weeks, I wouldn't be surprised to see the market in Quantumscape try to run to 12. But like I said, first, we got some objectives that needs to occur in order for us to see that play out. And the first objective is us to see price at least see the market run to 10, and for us to continue to see buying occur around that level. Because if buyers continue to show that they're willing to buy Quantumscape around 10, then yeah, it's likely that they're going to try to push it to 12. But we got to see that first. Till then, we're just going to simply play what we got here. Okay, so this is my thoughts. I want to know what you guys think about Quantumscape now. Is it a buy? If it is, tell me what are your price levels. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.